Welcome back one week more to dev our website. Last day we have a small trouble with this animation, and it's because really I have a small mistake about how to set up here the if. The if should be more or equal. Last week I still only looking for more, then always arrive to outside of my array here. Okay, so should be more or equal, and then now when we are looking, we already have our animation working. Let's wait for compile. Then see slide 1, slide 2, 3, 4, 5, and back to 1 now. Okay, so next step, we need to do a little bit the styling for this one and also for this one. Also, if you see in this preview, this button also change when the slide is in this button, and you can still click in and going directly to the slide you want. Okay, so we're going first to set up maybe this kind of thing. Let's go. Stop our project. Then first, what we need to do? We need to add some new variable for control this should be work or not. Okay? Then going to put a new variable here like a boolean, and then stop animation, and for a default is false. Okay, now when we want to click here in some button, we're going to set up the stop animation like through. So I'm going to do this one in the li, in the on click. We can do here directly because we don't need a lot backend, we don't need a lot things, and then stop animation equals through. Or no, much better, we're going to put a backend. Okay, so here we're going to do stop animation, and then I'm going to change the name of the variable is stop animation, and then now I'm going to put my method void stop animation, and then what we will do first is stop animation equals true. If stop animation equals true, this means this should be no change. Okay, so this is if is stop animation. If not, then I can do that. Okay, what possible problem we can have here? We can have a problem about we are waiting, and then the user click, then after the click they start the pool, then try to enter here and stop it. Perfect. But the problem is, imagine just this is 5, just this is 5, and the user click on the button, this should be this is still false. When just I click, then we'll do this one. Then we can have the possibility about we will have the render twice. Okay. Okay. Then also we need to know what is the slide I still clicking. For this action, we have a small trouble about the for, okay? Because while the page is rendering, all is asynchronous, and then if I set up here directly what I still in this moment, the system will don't know exactly what I am. Possible always I am in the last. So we need to do a small trick, like we're going to declare a new variable like select index equal I, and then now I need to receive this one in my method selected index. Okay, so I'm going to my method and I need to receive here an integer with the index. I stop the animation and then I need to show this slide right now. So this slide, sorry. So slides from my index visible equals through, and like before, first we need to put all in false. So all is false, become this one to visible, and that's all. Then I want after few seconds start again. Okay, so what I will do is I'm going to not waiting for a new task. I want to run, and then inside here I'm going to put a delegate like asynchronous, and then first is stop animation equal false. This I want to delay. I'm going to delay by, for now, 5 seconds only, because if we put too much, we need to still waiting too much in the video. And then await, start pull. And this will fire this method again. This is already false here, so we'll show this one again. Let's try. So this is still automatic. Okay, I want to back to the 1. Perfect. I want the 5. I want the 3. I want the 2. See, already have the trouble I told you before about the pop-up. When I click, still something in the back end, and then because the task, and then get the issue. See, pop-up. Then the other trouble we still have is each time we click, we are still waiting 5 seconds for something. Then the problem is we need to reset, for example, the index or something for know who is the actual who is the actual selected. And for example, I want to click in the number 2, so my next automatic should be the 3. And what is the next? The 4. See, jump the 3. I want to continue from the 3. For example, now I'm going to back to the number 1. The next should be number 2, but become number 4. See? Why? Because we didn't reset the actual slide. Okay, so actual slide also should be equals to index. Okay, and that's all. With this action, if this one re-enter while I still clicking blah 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 blah, still keep the same slide I still selected, so the user cannot see the click about the change, and then it's over. Okay, I think all this one is done now with the functionality, and we need to style a little bit like this one. Like if it's selected is a different slide or something like that, right? So we need to style the button, I guess. Yeah, we can style the button, and then if selected index is equals to the E, and this should be always. No, if actual slide is equal to selected index, then we're going to style this one, okay? So I'm going to put some class here like selected index equals actual slide, or the reverse, doesn't matter. Then I'm going to put here as selected or is selected for keep the same wordings about Bulma. And I don't know if Bulma half is selected or is active. I think Bulma half is active. Then let's try what happened if I keep it like it's active. Oh, see? Already have some selection there. For me, it's fine already, almost fine. Okay, we need to remove the numbers like here and only rounded. So for the rounded, Bulma give us the class about is rounded. I think it's rounded, or yeah, see? And now if we remove the numbers, this coming exactly like a circle, because we don't need the number. This only is a test before. Yes, see? Then what I want now is I want the selected or the is active also change the background to transparent, for example, something like that. Let's see. If we get this one and we set background color is transparent, yeah, can be fine, right? Because it's selected and it's transparent. Okay, so we only need to do this action, is transparent. Going to our component, slide component, and we don't have yet the CSS file, so copy the file name, and then we're going to isolate my CSS for this component. Add new item, same file name, .css. and then is active. We're going to put here that button that is active, then background color transparent, and maybe also a border size or border width, border width become 3 pixels, something like that. Forget a little bit bigger. Then let's see how it's working, this one. It's not working, clean cache. Okay, it's working now. Then maybe also we can change the color to white, right? Or to the same color about the normal button. Let's see what is the color for the default. This color, yes. So it's white. And then border color is this color. Then we still overwriting the Bulma with the necessary. That's all. Yep, see? Also, maybe we can put a little bit more bigger the border. I think we can put bigger the border. In this class, I want the border width. We cannot because we lose the style. Also already with 3, we are still already losing some styling. So I'm going to keep only 1 pixel. And that's all. Yeah, I'm going to keep only 1 pixel. I don't like how is the view. Okay, so we already have this one, we already have this one. What else? Style, no? We need to style a little bit more. Okay, then this UL is in my component, so from my CSS we're going to set the UL display flex. Also here to ensure it's only affected to the button inside the UL, LI, button, blah 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 blah. Yeah, the flex is already there. Then maybe the size, no, the size of the buttons is too big. Why the button is so big? Padding. So really my color for the border should be this color. Okay, I'm going to put this. No, this color is black. No, so border color is button border color. No, yes, still okay. Background color is this one. Then I remove the background. Yeah, still fine. This color. Then If I reduce the font size, yes, I think if we reduce the font size to 0.5, 35, yeah, no, this much pretty. So this is button, blah 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 blah. Okay, refresh the page for we can see the change. Then here UL and I that button. Wait, sorry. Font size we set 0.35 rem. And now it's already applied. Nice. Other styling we need to do is separate this one from here. How they do? Let's see how they do. This is the LI, this is the UL. I don't know how they do. I don't know how they do this one. Well, let's see how we can fix this issue. In our styling, we have the slides here, and then this other, and then we have all this space. So maybe we're going to do something like in the UL margin top 10 pixels, but this trouble is this will be applied in the two. So if I save the file, these two get a margin now from the top. Then I prefer margin bottom then, because this will keep on the top, going to up, and this is separate from the bottom of the container. Yes, I think much better margin bottom. And then I'm going to set up with rem, and I'm going to put 3 rems. Yeah, a little bit much better, right? More similar to this other app. Okay. Going to install this image from the background. Opening new tab, and then we're going to save image. Okay, we already have the image, and then come back to our project, stop, images, and then let's get the image. And I'm going to rename like slide background. And then this should be the background for this hero, blah 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 blah. So my hero class, from the section hero, then background image is URL from slash, from that slash, where is my image? Well, from here we can do this action. Yes, we can. Okay, from images slash slide background, blah 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 blah. Perfect. Let's see if this is working. I didn't have run there. Yes, it's there, and now what we need to do is fit inside of my container, no repeat, blah 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 blah. So background, repeat, none, no repeat, background fit, what is the size? Is cover, for example. Let's see. What is mine? This one. Yeah, perfect. We have already the background. Now we need to put all these ones center. And really, for me, this is more complicated because always is something relative to flex, and I am not very good in flex. And today I still alone here, no front ends, so I don't have people I can ask how to do. But let's try my best. So is from this container hero body. If we put here from Bulma has text center, what will happen? Nothing, see? Then this hero body should be display flex, then flex direction should be row or column. Column, okay, then come back to the normal, and then align items, center, okay, perfect. I still learning already, and then I put this one in the hero body. Okay, so coming back here, I'm going to refresh the page for we lose what I did directly, and let's do here. So section that hero body, and then override with this small. Also, this one should be from here, this one should be from here, and this one should be from here. Perfect, see? Oh, I start to learn how to control flex. Nice. Okay, what else? The sizes and the letter or something like that, right? So, first, what is the letter they are using this font family? And this font family is for all the website, for the full website. So because it's for the full website, maybe we can do in the full website also. Going to app, and then for, what is this one? For body and HTML. Going to put font name, what is font? Yeah, font name, no? Is where is? No, font family, and then we will use this font family in my whole system. save and then coming to us. Yeah, I think changed already, right? I don't know what. I think it's not exactly this one, but I'm going to write the same. Help child with family in something, for we can compare correctly the I think still getting the COI we. I don't have these two in my website here. In the subtitle, this one. See, it's not exactly the same the font. Let me see the help. Help is not exactly the same, but very similar. Maybe it's because in this website they have installed for the body. See, this font size is in the app here, and then in the resources, let's see where they have that. Oh, see? Ah, no, this is me. Sorry. In this website, no, in this website. So this website in the body, this from family, from the index, these fonts. See, we need to download these fonts, but these fonts also is not here. So from where is getting the fonts, the system here? This is for now, so this is for now, so bootstrap styles, font families, open regular, open sans regular, yes, should be these fonts. So we need to download these fonts and install these fonts. Opening new tab, then the next, opening new tab, the next, opening new tab, the next, opening new tab. And this no need because this is for the graphics. Only some like that, like that, like that. And then we have the fonts here now. Installing our website and stop. Fonts, and then these fonts, and then really I don't know how to it's this one, right? Font face, font face, font face. Can do this one in our app. And then this is from here, from here, from here, from here, from here. Okay, And then the URL, how they do the URL with the column. One column, only one. Let's see if now it's coming much better. I didn't see the difference. I cannot see my fonts here. The app is getting updated, but I cannot see my fonts here. Why? What else I need to do? Fonts. Maybe stop. And then reveal. Okay, already revealed. Let's see if in my resources I still don't have. Because cannot found. So maybe I wrote something wrong. No, this is still good. Open Sans Lite. Open Sans Regular. I don't have the Open Sans Regular. Wait. And this, so the regular, where is the regular here? One back and then regular. Here don't have regular. But also the light. Wait a second. Should be I have this font. Yes, this is still working, so I have the fonts correctly installed. Why? Okay. When coming some front end, we can ask. I will try to put just here on the top. Sources, still cannot find my maybe I need to insert in the header. No, here they don't have nothing relative to the fonts. And really I don't know. Okay, continues with the website. Okay, also these buttons need a small space. Let me double check. See, we need a small space here. So because already I have too many styles only for this one, I think I'm going to create a class much better for this one. Class is bullets. Okay, and then here I'm going to set if my URL that bullets, okay, and that bullets or anything. Oh no, wait, this is still fine. So hero body, blah blah. Okay, so oh no, yes, this is from the ballets. Oops, because it's only for my AI button. And then yeah, then here the same. I'm going to put then the top again. I prefer here the top. And I'm going to put 4 ranks. And then, oh no, 3.5. A little bit more. Okay, so now my LI ballets, LI, okay. I'm going to copy this one because now I want only for the LI. Here I'm going to put my margin all around to me about 5 pixels. Okay, then let's see how this will show. Yeah, see, much better now. But the original page is still bigger than the original page, and the space looks the same, but it's okay. I think we can put a little bit more less here, 30 ranks. Yeah, this is more similar than this other page. Okay, then what else? We already have this view, we already have this view. See, it's the same view. And then continues with the next section. So we already finished with our first component about the slide component. And then in our pages, in index, slide component. Now we will create our next component relative to this section. Let's analyzing again a little bit how is the page, because they have a welcome. So all this one is the welcome until here, until the bottom. So before the mission, then maybe looking into that, I can suppose I will create a section component to to get the title style, the text style, and the subtitle style. Have a container, the welcome top. See, welcome top. In welcome top, maybe is where they have these styles. And then Charify, and then in the mission, what they have, they don't have the same sheets. Our mission, and here the welcome, and the welcome is here, is here is H3, and here is H3. So let's see, welcome top is H3, and then here is mission 3. See, okay, see, they have the same two in the same, because I want to do always the same. I don't like day. I'm going to create my section component, and inside the section component I will have always my welcome top component, where I will have my title and my subtitle. If subtitle is empty, then will no render, but I will always have my subtitle. Okay, and then that's all. So let's going to select this one and copy. And then we're going to create here our components. I'm going to stop first. In components, add new component, and then this will have our section component. Okay, first we're going to create the section component for the full width, for the full container, and then this is my section component, and then also I'm going to create my top component. Okay, so I'm going to create my top component. Add new component, section top component. Okay, then in the section top component we will render this one. Then here I'm going to use already my section top component. For a while I don't have variables, I don't have nothing. Then section top component, bam. Okay. Then what else? This depends of, okay, this depends of all. Okay, so here I already saw, this is a section. I prefer this is a section. Follow the rules about HTML5. Okay, this is a section. We don't need this class. This class is from Bulma. Okay, so in this component, I don't need code behind, so I'm going to code here directly, and I'm going to have my parameter like public render fragment. Okay, and then this render fragment I will call child component. Then get set. Why child component? This is a standard for Bulma, Blazor, sorry. Then if you only have one render fragment, you can call child component. So here I'm going to put the child component. Okay, then now for I can use this section component, I only will do here section component, open and close, and then anything I put inside the section component will be rendered. sorry, child content. Sorry, mistake the name. Child content. Okay, it's child content. Yeah, sorry. I am thinking in components. It's child content. Okay, this is a convention. Okay, from Bulma. Then see, my fragment is here. So if now in my index I don't use this one, and I'm going to put here my section top component, I will render this component inside this other. And that's all. See, still here. So, and now I'm going to do almost the same in the section component relative to my sections. Okay, this is my title, this is my subtitle, and then this should be my default text. Okay, so I'm going to copy this one also. This component is only a component for render other components. Usually we don't have a lot backend. Then we can do here in directly in the page. If you don't like, then you can move to the code behind. So my child component, my child content, sorry, is this one. Okay, inside here. Then child content. I'm going to put other render fragment like header content and other like title content and other like subtitle content. Okay, so this should be rendered here, or no render fragment. This is a string. Okay, directly a string and directly a string, much better. And then we will render here what they will send from the title or from the subtitle. Okay, then no need content, only title, and here only subtitle. Then first, if string that is null, empty or white space about the title. So if I will have, because this is a negation, this return true when this is null or white space, then because when this is not white space or null, I will render here the title. Okay, and then I will do the same for the subtitle. Sorry, title is this one. And then do the same for the subtitle. Then, if this is null, also will not render nothing. And then now, from my index here, I'm going to set my title is equal what we put here. Welcome to our community. I'm going to put community. The subtitle is our community has over, how many we are already? I don't know how many we are. Let's see. Oh, we have 33. Wow, 33 members. And then in my content or anything, video, blah 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 inside of the P, right? So let's see if this is still rendering correctly. Perfect. Then we're going to style and we will finish for today. Who will style this one? Who you think will style? I want this component style always the title and the subtitle, and maybe this part can be from the parent. So my section top I'm going to add his CSS class now. Then we want the H3 H3 should be this color and this font size and all the things they have here. What happened? Copy. Paste. See, this is already going to use this font size. Why then the other is not using my font size, my doses? Slides. Because I put here this is the font they will charge, right? So I'm going to put also here to double check if can get this one or not. Okay, then this is my font. Now the size, the size is here, blah 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 blah. Okay, then now for the other. Also here, welcome top, H3 and H4, H3, H4, and then I'm going to do some trick here. H3, H4 have something is common like this one. Here, so remove here, maybe here cannot see, but this also is center, so the center coming here, and initially that's all. And then my welcome top have margin, or let's see, the welcome top don't have any margin. It's the container who have something and the welcome who has something. So it's the welcome who has this padding. Okay, this welcome top don't have nothing, blah, blah. Oh, we must be to control this one, right? If we have a p tag, well, let's see how is. Then the other component, the section component razor, I also need his CSS. because I need the CSS these people have for the welcome. Oh, only this one. Okay. Aye. Only this one. Then let's try. Yeah, perfect. We need to still control in this one. I think we can control inside my component. But why we have a lot space here, they have less. Let's see. Let's see if it's something about our cache. No, initially it's not a trouble from the cache. Should be something from Bulma, so maybe we need to override Bulma. No, still fine. So why we are getting different from here? Welcome versus the container here, and this is the container here. Okay, so container is almost the same, and then welcome top, don't have nothing special. Welcome top here, welcome top also don't have nothing special. The welcome top is who have for a default the text center, so we can put this one here in our CSS. Why no copy correctly? This one, okay. Then because it's here, this is not needed already. Yeah, but still, this is too much. The top is too much. I control the reverse. In the other, they still controlling the P tag. I control from the H for separate down. Then the top is too much. Something like that, right? Maybe I have some zoom here. No, I don't have a zoom here. Then looks his font size is smaller than our font size. Right? It's okay. We don't need to be exactly like the other, right? So something like that. Okay. 0.1. And then what else? What else? What else? Nothing else. We already have this one. We already have this one. So for next day, we need to do this section. And where should be this section? Is part of the child of here or somewhere. Let's see next day. Thank you for watching. See you next day.